Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Tab M11, and today I'll show you how you can insert your SD card into this device. Now to get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool like this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could also use a paperclip. Straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. Once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located on the same side where you have volume rockers, so also where the camera is. So just grab your little pin and then push it into the insert area. And you can see that the tray will pop out enough for you to just yank it out of there. Now on the tray you'll have space for just a single SD card. Now, I'm not sure if there is a LTE version of this device which would support a SIM card. If there is, that would basically go right over here instead. So you'd have one additional spot. For me, it's fully filled out, so I can't occupy it. Now, with that being said, we're just gonna pop it straight back in. And said card should start working right away. Oh, there we go. As you can see, it popped up with a notification. So it is being detected and it works. Now, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.